back to the Trusted Car Products testing studio and to our Trusted Car Products YouTube channel. Thank you for checking in for another of our videos, I really do appreciate it. It's been a really busy couple of weeks for us here down at Trusted Car Products. We've been looking, as you might have seen on some of our product review videos over the last few days, we have had the G3 range of new professional products in on test, as well as the deathless detailing products which we've been looking at and are continuing to do so. So make sure to check out the trustedcarproducts.co.uk website, our Facebook, our Instagram and our YouTube channel for regular updates on those products as we bring the latest reviews to you on those. Today we are here for another of our RaceCarBox subscription box unboxings. Every time I say that it does feel like a lot of boxes. But we're going to have a look inside the, where are we, September's box now, and have a look at some of the contents, see what sort of products are inside for you this month, and give our thoughts on any that we might have used before and any that are new to us. Okay, so like I say, this is the September edition of the RaceCarBox subscription service. If you choose to subscribe to this service, you'll receive a box in the post that looks like this. Each month it contains different products randomly selected by the team at RaceCarBox. They send them out to you, delivered to your door. You get a range of products, you get a range of accessories, you usually get some random sort of goodies in there as well, things like gloves which we're wearing right now. So we've been using these boxes for quite a while now. We really do love receiving them, and we always enjoy giving our thoughts on the box back to you. If you want to try out the boxes, you can enter the code TRUSTEDCARPRODUCTS, all as one word, on the RaceCarBox website, and you get 10% off your first box and 10% off all accessories. Okay, so we've opened up the RaceCarBox now. As you can see behind me, we're going to have a look at the contents inside. First out the box, as always, is the instruction card that they provide every week. I believe that's an issue 200SX on the front this time. Always pick some really cool pictures for the front. Like we said previously, they are adorning the front of our fridge, and they're starting to creep around the workshop in general now because we're out of space. But on the back, it tells you what's in the box. It gives a few sort of usage tips and instructions, any safety advice, that sort of thing. So always useful to keep to one side. Okay, so first out the box this month, we've got the Dodo Born to be Mild shampoo. Now this is a pH balanced, wax friendly shampoo. So it's designed to be used on cars that have already been protected, but I mean you can use it at any time. You can use it on an unprotected car just as a normal car shampoo. But it's safe and friendly to use if you have protected your car with a wax or a coating. It means it's not going to affect it or degrade it in any way whatsoever. We have used this product previously, although we haven't actually done a review of it before, so this might prompt us to do the review now. It's a great smelling product, I remember that from when we used it before. With the Dodo shampoos you always get a nice rich lather of foam as well. And with all Dodo juice products, they're always very enjoyable to use, products that do exactly what they should. So a nice little sample to get in the box there. Next out, and recently actually on test with us here at Trusted Car Products, is the spray wax from Polished Pigs. Now this absolutely smashed it on test with us. We love this stuff. It smells fantastic. It gives a real sort of warm, deep, wet look to the paint, as well as having some good hydrophobic, water repellent properties as well. Really nice product that is. We've been really impressed with the whole Polished Pigs range so far that we've used. We also gave away some of these as part of our wax stock competition. You might have seen us take it down, or across rather, to the East Coast to our prize winner. Really, really impressive product. I'm sure those of you who have the box this month will be really impressed with that like we were. Make sure to check out our review of that as well. I think we also have a video, yes we do have a video on the channel where we actually use this on a Lamborghini Gallardo. So make sure to check the video out when we do a little bit of a demo of the product. Okay, so next out of the box we have Dashing by Auto Perfection. This is an interior dressing which I've actually used for several years now, and rather embarrassingly I haven't actually reviewed yet, so I need to make sure I do get a review of that on the website. It is a very, very good interior dressing and it smells incredible. I think with interior dressings that's really important because obviously as well as your cabin looking good in the car, you want it to smell at least fresh when you get in. This isn't too overpowering, it's just a slight sort of fruity scent to it. But it's not overpowering, it's not overly sweet, and it just smells awesome, as well as leaving a nice matte sheen on all your plastics, not too shiny. So another really good product in the box this month. Finally, product-wise, out of the box is the only product that is new to me in the box this month. This is the Alien Magic Car Care rather. It is a glass cleaner called Diamond. Sorry, it threw me slightly because they've done a specific label for the RaceCarBox. Is their Diamond glass cleaner. We haven't used anything from the guys at Alien yet, so we'll be looking to put this to its places definitely. With glass cleaners, glass cleaner is always the painful part of cleaning a car. Even as a professional detailer, we hate doing it. So if you get a good quality glass cleaner, It's always very helpful, so we'll definitely put that through its paces. Okay, accessories wise in the box this month, we've got the detailing ones back. Now we actually had these on test some time ago, and I know one of the general feedback from a lot of people on these was that they were a little bit flimsy. Well, they have actually gone away, the guys at detailing ones, and they've strengthened the pointed ones in the pack. If I remember right, I think they had double-ended ones before with the point on one end, and it just was a little bit flimsy. They've now, like I said, separated them out. They've got the harder, more rigid pointed one, as well as the soft, more round-ended one. Now these are ideal for pretty much anything. It's one of those things that you don't realise how useful they are until you have them. You can use them around the intricate parts of the car interior. You can use them to get the grime out of badges on your car. I remember that was the thing I really found them useful for. Literally anything that's a small intricate part of the car is really helpful for, so it's a great little accessory to have. And we then have a Suede applicator, and quite useful on the back. It has a little pouch that you can get your hand inside. It means that it's less likely to drop it while you're applying your waxes or your coatings or whatever you choose to use it for. It's nice and soft and paint friendly, so a very useful little gadget if you like, the applicator. Very useful to have. The final thing out of the box this week is just a Polished Pigs hanging air freshener. I've seen on their Instagram that they were releasing these, so always nice to have an air freshener in the box. I'm running out of space on my shelf, which says everything about the box this month. So really bumper filled box from the team at RaceCarBox this month. Like I said, we've got the Dodo Shampoo, we've got Auto Perfection dashing interior dressing, we've got the Polished Pig spray wax, which we're really impressed with on test, and we've got the Alien Magic glass cleaner called Diamond, as well as a few great accessories such as the detailing ones. So another really good box from the guys at RaceCar. Thank you for checking out another of our Trusted Car Products videos on the YouTube channel. We hope you enjoyed the video as always, and we hope it might encourage you to subscribe to the RaceCarBox subscription service. Like I said at the start of the video, if you put the code Trusted Car Products in on the website, you get 10% off your first order and 10% off any accessories. While we're just touching on accessories, we have a couple of accessories ourselves that we have available. If you have been on social media recently, our social media rather, you've probably seen me ask about my beads decals flying around. There's a few images of people with them on their cars. We've got them on our own car, we've got them around the workshop. They're proving really popular, these. If you'd like one of these, they're just £2.99 delivered anywhere in the UK, so drop us a message on Instagram, Facebook, email, wherever, and we'll make sure we get one of those out to you. Likewise, if you are interested, we do have the Please Do Not Wash This Vehicle signs. These are ideal to hang in your vehicle when it goes in for service, an MOT, anything at a garage or anywhere where they're likely to give it a courtesy wash and ruin all the hard work on the car. So again, PM us for details on those and we can sort out one of those for you as well. So once again guys, thank you very much for watching that video for us. We really do appreciate all the support we get on all forms of social media, and particularly the YouTube channel. So please like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share it with those who you think might be interested, and also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course check out the official website at www.trustedcarproducts.co.uk. Thank you very much.